Welcome to Python tutorial series by Tutorialwing. Today we are going to learn about Python ABS function. ABS function is an inbuilt function in Python which can be used to get absolute value of any number. If you don't know about what a number is, you can click on the link given in the description and check it out. Okay, in this series we are going to learn how can we use ABS function for any number to get its absolute value. Okay, number can be of three types. It can be integer like 1 2 3 4 4 4 5 6 and so on. It can be negative as well, like -1 -2 -3 and so on up to minus infinity. Okay, it can be a float number as well. Float number, for example 4.0 4.0 1.1 2.3 5 0.5 or something like this. Okay, it can be a complex number as well, for example 3 plus 4j, 1 plus 2j, 1 minus 2j or something like this. So a number can be integer, float and a complex number. Okay, now we will use absolute value ABS function with this type of numbers and see its output. Okay, so let's first use it with integer. So as we already discussed, integer can be 1 2 -1 -4 or something like this one. Okay, so syntax of ABS function is ABS and then the number can be of any type. Okay, now let's use integer value inside this ABS function. So ABS of 1, it will return 1 as output, so it's 1. Again it's ABS of 2, so it will be 2. Then ABS of 3 is 3, because absolute value of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3. If we are going to use it with a negative number, so it will be it will return the absolute value of that number. So absolute value of -1 is 1, so it will return 1. Absolute value of -10 is 10, so it will return 10. Absolute value of -4 is 4, so it will return 4. Now let's use it with a float number. Absolute value of 1.2 is 1.2, so it will return 1.2. Absolute value of 4.0 is 4.0, so it will return 4.0. If you are using it with a negative float number, so it will return absolute value of for example ABS of -3.0, so it will return 3.0. Absolute value of minus 0.7 is 0.7. okay, if you are going to use it with a complex number, so it will return magnitude of that complex number. For example, if our complex number is 3 plus 4j, so its magnitude will be 3k square plus 4k square. It will be 9 plus 16, 9 plus 16, that is 25. Square root of 25 is 5, so magnitude of 3 plus 4j is 5, so ABS of 3 plus 4j square root of 25, so it's 5.0. okay, similarly you can use it with ABS of 3 minus 4j, so again it will be 5, square root of 25, so again it's 5.0. Similarly you can use ABS function with any numbers to get its absolute value. That's it for absolute function. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. We will cover all other built-in functions in Python in the upcoming videos, so please be in touch with us. Thank you.